Football is the favourite game for hundreds of thousands of Welsh men and women. It is Wales' biggest and best supported sport. It excites, unites and challenges us. It is our game, and it has been that way for more than 135 years. All over Wales, parks and pitches are swarming with players of all ages and both sexes. They are playing the world's biggest and best game. Football is a simple sport, but you need teamwork and good communication to succeed. Here in Wales, we have a strong and clear vision for our game. We are innovating, evolving, and getting stronger. We want the Welsh nation to stand tall and feel proud of all our national teams. We want to raise standards on and off the field at all levels. The goal is clear. We want our teams to win more and to qualify for major championships. One team, one goal, a nation united in a common cause. Teamwork isn't just part of our vision, it is at the heart of everything we do. There is innovation, determination and perspiration. From the top of the FAW, through the national teams, and right down to the grassroots. And the message is right there on our national shirts. Gorau Chwarae Cyd Chwarae. Best play, team play. To win more, we must work together more. To get stronger, we must communicate what we want to achieve and be clear on how we are going to succeed. Good teamwork is vital, both on and off the field. The game is evolving and growing here in Wales. Let's harness the passion and power of the nation behind these core values and give our players the chance to win more and make us all feel proud of Welsh football. Together, we are stronger. Best play, team play. Gorau Chwarae Cyd Chwarae.